margaritas at the place that your friends like. Bad jokes that I never get. I couldn't get enough. Maybe we just met too young. Maybe we just met too young. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, baby, I do this like actually. Not for more than fame and a reach.
Yeah, we just gotta get a job. Come, son. Come here.
Yes, mommy.
I assume, like, I connect this to this. Oh my gosh, it didn't even see me doing our magical work.
That's unfortunate.
Quite. I'm scared of this thing. Can you like turn it off or something?
So are they gonna come tow it then?
I'm not sure. I need to now call a different mechanic because the one I called wasn't available to come here. That's why I thought I smelled nail polish. I thought I was going crazy. I'm so sad. All right, so the car is not starting. Figured out that it's not the, hang on, I'm vlogging right now.
Hey, mommy.
I figured out that it's not the, can you turn the music down just a bit?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the music.
Can't like speak. Goodness. Okay, I figured out it's not the battery because we jumped it and it still didn't work. And I looked it up and it said that it's probably the starter. Then I called a mechanic and he said, yep, you're right. You need to bring it in. I was like, how am I supposed to bring it in if I can't start it? Like, that makes absolutely no sense. And he was like, oh, well, to start the car, you can just literally whack the starter a couple times. Seth, we don't need to jump it though. We just need to whack the starter.
The starter's in there, right?
No, it's underneath.
Oh.
So anyhow, I was like, I don't know how to do that, but I watched a YouTube video and it actually looks super easy. So we're gonna try to do this because otherwise we have to just get towed. So
Then we're not gonna get towed.
no,
Unless we do.
unless we do. So I'm gonna whack the starter. Wait, are the keys out here still?
I have them.
I'm gonna whack the starter and then you're gonna try to turn it on.
Perfect. Tell me when.
Okay. Well, none of this looks like the starter. Hey Seth.
Yeah?
Can you look up what the starter on a Honda CR-V looks like? Because none of this looks like the thing the guy was hitting. It does not look the same. Let me take it with me. This car is low from ground. Why does this not look like anything I'm looking at? There's a tank. There's this thing. Okay. I think I need to do more research.
Because all the electrical stuff in there is still working fine without the jumper.
Yeah. He said that it's almost definitely the starter. Okay, this is all, this is what I want.
All right, replacing the starter on 2014 Honda CR-V.
What do you mean, you're not gonna show me like where in the car this is at?
Backside, that really helped me.
Oh, is that it? I think I found it.
Yes, Mom. Hey.
Good job.
Ready?
No, I don't want to be down here.
What?
Okay, you can
What
try
are we
it.
gonna do then?
Well, I'm just gonna get out and then you can do it.
Oh, you just hit it and then you.
Yeah, he did it by himself. Like,
Wow, what the shit?
you just bang on it and then try to turn it on. He did it a couple times. Oh, yes! That's amazing! to go right now.
You need to go, and then I pick you up in that car.
Yes. Here's your
With my
phone.
phone? Okay. Text me the address. I'll be getting dressed, and then.
Okay. So I straight up feel elite for being able to get this car to turn on. I know I literally just watched a YouTube video and did what it said, but like, ball out. I just saved probably like a couple $100 because I thought I was gonna have to get a tow. So that's good. I'm headed to the mechanic. My phone just started playing stuff that it started playing my how to fix your car video. But anyhow, I'm now taking my car to the actual automotive place so that they can fix it for me. So. Beth and Ani picked me up from a mechanic, and now we're headed straight to the beach. Seth, are you happy to be on the beach?
Yeah.
You need a little cover up today?
Yeah.
No, because you didn't want a sunscreen?
Didn't want a sunscreen. I did on my face.
We're surrounded by Amish people right now, which is kind of upsetting because we're trying to look at cute boys, but they're all Amish at the moment. There they all are. I miss Annika. To come back.
I know. That was somebody else. That was the wind.
I'll have to bleep that out. Ani, what are we doing right now?
Watch is really not hot, guys,
But we're pretending like they're hot. Oh,
I don't know.
that was so icky. Also, he's smoking a cigarette. Okay, I'll try to get you some footage, like a video of ourselves.
Did I send you the meme that's like.
And talking to ourselves about ourselves.
Yeah.
And
For real.
for real, we are. Oh, they suck. The rest of this video is from a different day. That's all, I guess. I put them together. Whatever. Literally, this doesn't matter.
That's what I really want. I want.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are going kayaking today. We're going on a little tour, and last time I did this, it was with a big group of people, but I think we're the only ones on this tour, so
That'd be nice.
I think so. I think it's gonna be great. Like 1 o'clock. Girl's gonna get burnt. Look at her go. She's so cute.
Your name? Madison. Do they call you Maddie? Sweet, because that's what I'm going to call you.
That's all you have to say?
That's all.
My arms hurt and we just started. Good time. You're taking branches off.
Well, he said he was gonna cut down one of the branches. I was like, bro, you just said you couldn't.
I know.
He's like, maybe I'll just be savage and do it anyway.
Are you so yummy? I haven't gotten there yet. Gotta get this part yet. Oh, I might crack this though too.